Today I'd like to show off my truck mock, and this truck is more of a flatbed truck. Start with the side. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You see the top, and I'm gonna take this off just so I can show where the minifigs go. There, right. How do you remove one last piece? Okay, there we go. There's the opening. And let me get a minifig. And here's the minifig. Because she's a clone trooper. And then I'm just gonna grab it. Put him in here. And he's actually got a pretty good amount of space in there. So that's pretty cool. And then on the back, it's got a lot of space. And just to show you that, I here have this like turret thing. You could just keep it right here because it's that big. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day.